and hello my Ogbongelisi people. Another Ogbonge news that come out again no for Ini Edo that come out is she say she be there depressed for her skin, for her face. Say she be there depressed because when I know say this skin care well of that they use now those organic cream where they will say that they use for face na it good. You get face, so get body, you get hand, do get yan show, get even make us own self, you know. So he said when Okoro come at that time, so she not gonna see the cream they buy again, which they use where her skin till they glow. He said that if she can go she not gonna see cream use again, then her face can damage. When I see her face can be like Coke and Fanta, as in it can be like what eczema. You know, I know eczema that time for Nigeria, where eczema go carry your face. You see now, so her face can be, you know. So when I can't see, I can't shocktalize, I can't say, hey, when I see what this skin problem go do now for all those organic cream that they use. Organic. Now see the way the cream wanted damage in the Edo face now. See the way it wanted damage, it wanted scatter the face. On the same matter, my Ogbonge people. Hey, when I see him, I shocked her light. I say, you see, he said she be there depressed ever since. Saying they pray now, may her face not damage you. May her face dey okay. You see, Anna, all those organic cream. Now it cost this one so organic skin care. Where they will buy finish face all go day, hand all go day, yan show go day, lap all go day, body all go day. Now she dey use he say no know where that thing happen that time. So when I remember where that thing happen that time, nobody they fit buy anything. Everybody they stay inside house. Nobody they come out to go they buy cream. She not gonna see who supply on the cream again. Now her face become spoil. Now she become they depressed whoever since so. Thank God say the face now. It thought they did okay small, you know. So this one I advise to now where they buy organic cream. One they buy many for house. When I see any door now, if finish you not gonna see buy again. So you where they wash me now, if you know say na you they use, maybe they buy and down so that make your face not come turn to Coke and Fanta. Now any Edo, that make any Edo they talk and because they use and they advise una. We be say una they like all those first class skin care. Now say making tell una say she be there depressed ever since because her face be all the damage for the cream, you know, which they use, you know, combine with that Okoro happen that time, you know, can see it buy. I can't cause and we be say face be one con damage, but now the face do the day okay now. So now say I can't tell my Ogbonge people if you know say now you they use they buy and down. Ma see ni Edo now. They don't pass Joromi, they don't enter Joromi. Thank God. Say the face do the day okay now. I say make I tell now my Ogbonge people. So thank you everybody. Take care. Till I come your way next time again, my Ogbongelisi people. I remain your one and only sister, Lady J. Thank you and bye.
I've been depressed for a couple of days now, guys, because of my skin. You all know how much I love my skin, and this terrible thing has happened to me. Okay, so COVID happened, and I ran out of products, skincare products, of course. And so a friend of mine introduced me to this one. This is what I've been going through for the past 1 week, 10 days. I haven't used anything on my skin for the past 1 week because I'm trying to let this wear off. See the discoloration. I'm just doing this video to just let people out there know that, look, you're not alone. We all go through these things. One wrong product and your skin can be damaged forever. I'm just praying that brown sugar doesn't change to vanilla plus Coke and Fanta. I know this looks like some kind of eczema, which is not. It's just skin discoloration. You won't believe I've gone to the